JD 26 here, just do tips and fears and hobbies, and we're making a pistol perch for a pellet gun. And what you do is you make a ball, put some Gorilla Tape, you make the ball first, and then you cover it with some cloth. I'll show you it when it's finished. So you put it on top of a monopod stick like that, and I'm going to cover it next. There it's covered, and we're going to put an elastic over it. You got it cut with elastic on there. So as you can see, this is adjustable. Okay, and it's all done. That's just a representation of your pistol pellet on the top of it, cushioning your rest. You just hold it in one hand and use the other hand to get on target. So that's what I show you. You get a cheap monopod. You don't have to get an expensive one. And just put a pad over it and put a t-shirt over it, tie it up with some Gorilla Tape, and it's a good rest for shooting outdoors, and it's adjustable all the way down. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Rate and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.